Okay, so I'm going to show you how to find dividend paying companies on EasyEquities. So all you have to do is log into EasyEquities, click on invest now. You'll come to this page, click on browse all shares, and then scroll down to more themes to explore. Here you have to scroll down a bit more and find the word dividends. There it is. So this will group all the companies together that pays dividends, overseas companies and South African companies. So if you want to see local companies, just click on ZAR. I don't know if this is all the companies that EasyEquities list for dividends. I don't know. You click on USD, there's a bit more, JP Morgan, Vanguard, and so on. So if you click on a company, there will be no information about dividends, any dividend information like yields and whatever, how much they pay out on EasyEquities. I did ask them about it, so I'm awaiting a reply. So if you want to find out how much a company pays out, you're going to have to go to a different website. So Dividend Investor is pretty easy to use. You just have to type in the company that you're looking for here. So let's say Naspers. Right, and it listed here. Just click on that, and it will give you all the information of that company. So here's your dividend information, dividend amount current, and so on. And then a different one, Seeking Alpha. Again, you just go to Seeking Alpha and type in the company's name. Click on it, and you will see here dividend rate and yield, and so on. And another one that a lot of South Africans are using, website, is investing.com. Type in the company name again. Click on it. Let's go. And then you have the information here at the bottom, dividend yield. So yeah, that's the only way you're going to find it, because I haven't found a way. Well, I don't think there is a way on to find it on EasyEquities. Yeah, that's it.